Alright, good morning you guys. Today was my best trading day ever. Made $920 today. Um, Kind of feels fake, but basically, first trade we entered after we hit EQ, and this was my break even. This middle of the fair value gap, we hit this fair value gap, so I broke even. Ended up getting stopped out. My overall bias on the day was to come to this 1 hour gap to maybe bounce off it and look for longs. I didn't think we were gonna plow through this gap like we are right now, but that's kind of just how the market's rolling right now. So made nothing off that, broke even, came to ES. Was looking for the same thing. Was on the 2 minute and saw we didn't inverse this 5 minute bearish fair value gap, and we inversed this after sweeping highs. So I was like, okay, this is going to be the down move that brings us to this hour fair value gap. My final take profit was here. I stopped myself out a little earlier because when we're in these hour fair value gaps, you guys all know that it could instantly wake up. It could do something crazy. The reaction could have been crazy. So I didn't feel comfortable being in that. My take profit should have honestly just been like right here after this candle. So I held a little longer than I wanted to, and once we hit this like kind of middle of the gap, I was like, okay, I'm getting out. My final TP was this low right here, because this low, it would have been this low, but I did enter heavier on this trade, and so if I had my take profit done here, I would have broke top steps evaluation rule of making more than 1,500 a day. So yeah, best trading day of my life. Something I've been learning to do this week is like making it a little more simple. I was overcomplicating a few things that I needed to be, and so I've kind of just dumbed it down a little more. And yeah, it's been paying off. I've been talking with people in my mentorship, getting ideas of how they trade and stuff like that. So yeah, no, honestly, I'm just super stoked. It feels good, this being like my best day, because typically my wins are more like 400, 500. But when we hit a trade like this, definitely feels really good. But yeah, we got one more trade tomorrow, or one more trading day this week. We might just take the day off, but we'll see what happens. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have a great day. I gotta head off to class, so hopefully I can get this video to you guys before then. But yeah, no, I'll see you boys tomorrow.